So a little bit introduction about myself and Huobi Global first. So I'm Sharlyn, and I'm the Chief Investment Officer for Huobi Group. So I run investment for Huobi at full spectrum, from financial side and to strategic side. We're very honored to run this Filecoin incubation center collectively with Protocol Labs because we think Filecoin is really the game changer to this Web3 journey. This computer really needs a hard drive, we are very proud, to support the team doing work on Filecoin ecosystem and build interesting things. So a little bit introduction on Huobi and what we do, who we are. So Huobi was established in 2013, and we have over 7 years track record by now. Huobi is really the largest crypto exchange worldwide today in terms of asset under management, number of users, and also trading turnover. And this is our management team, and Leon Lee is our leader, and this is really the chief executive teams running the business behind. Yeah, and Huobi has operation over 20 countries now. We are also licensed in a number of jurisdictions, including the US market and Japanese market. This is a little bit numbers on our operations. So we have over 15 million users, and the trading turnover is like over multiple $1 billion a day. So we have established this Huobi Filecoin Incubation Center collectively with Protocol Labs. And this really serves a number of purposes. And the first is incubation and investment. So Huobi has launched a $10 million fund to support talented developers doing meaningful things in Filecoin ecosystem. And for projects way back, from Huobi's perspective, we're really going to provide them with the best liquidity support and wallet integration, and also interaction with the community in Asia and with our all massive ecosystem. And also the other thing, right? We're actively exploring Filecoin's interaction with DeFi, because Huobi is very active investor in DeFi space. And we have also established a similar initiative as Filecoin Incubation Center as Huobi DeFi Labs. Right? So we do incubation investment, also research and ecosystem building in DeFi. So we do see, Huobi can probably create a lot of synergy for Filecoin with the DeFi space, because there's a massive mining market in Asia, and we see very strong demand for borrowing and lending, and also other, financial products, right? And this is something we work closely with the Filecoin developers and the entire ecosystem. And Huobi is also, actively working with other incubation centers, including Tethlon and Longhash, to help to back developers across different regions. So not limited to Asia market, right? We want to do this as a global effort. Yeah. So, so Filecoin, we think Filecoin is still at its very early stage of development. So that really need a lot of support, right? At all perspective to help to build a healthy ecosystem and make it grow faster. At current stage, right, the investment opportunities we actually focus on at more infrastructure level. Including like middleware services to developers, like node services, cache services, database and cross-chain infrastructures. And the other side of the stack is, more on the user tool side, right? Like DWeb browsers and also other things can help to make it easier and bring down the barrier for other, application developers coming in. Yeah. So given the limited time, so this is a very brief introduction of Huobi and the Filecoin Incubation Center we do. Who we are, the purpose why we do this, what we can provide with developers, and what we are looking for. So this is very high level, but if you're building any interesting stuff in the ecosystem, please reach out to us, and we would love to hear from you and to discuss with you how we can best help to drive growth for your business in Asia.